Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Defiant Motion Security Light. This one has a 180-degree detection span, and it says here ideal for driveways and garages. It's motion activated, adjustable from 1 to 5 minutes on and when the motion is detected. It's solar power, so there's no wiring required. What I actually like about this one is that there's a string that attaches to the solar panel so that you're not just confined to attaching this directly only in the sun. You could actually put this in the shade and then wire this and connect it somewhere like on the roof of a house or a shed where it'll have maximum exposure. So I've had many different types of solar powered lights, and I think this one would do very, very well, just for the fact that the solar panel does have a separate wiring. So here is the user manual, and then this comes with the cardboard. Let's see what else we have in here. Okay, so I believe this is the solar panel, and this here is the solar light itself. So it's got 6 little LED bulbs here, which tend to be pretty powerful. I like these type of lights as opposed to the old conventional lights where it actually use the bulbs, the traditional bulbs. So there's the solar panel. Now, if we open it up here, comes with the rechargeable solar batteries. If we turn it on, it's pretty bright, very bright. So I believe there's first one that turns it on, leaves it on a motion detector for 1 minute, and then I believe varying from 5 minutes, and then at the end you could leave it on all the time. But it uses the batteries up quite a bit. So there's 3 modes: 1 minute, 5 minutes, and then 4 modes, sorry. There's off, 1 minute, 5 minutes, and then there's the on all the time. So I've used one of these before. It's pretty good. So I thought I'd do an unboxing of this. Here's the motion sensor, and I like it. This part swivels and adjusts, so you can aim it to the direction that you really like, where there's a little amount of light that you want to have exposure to. The wiring here is pretty long, as you can see, so you should not have any problems with wiring this and connecting it to an area where there's less light. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Defiant Solar Power Light. If you enjoyed it, please remember to subscribe to our channel, hit that bell notification icon so you're always up to date on our newest food product and travel videos, and hit that like button. So until next time, take care.